Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Happy COOKMAS Day 30. One more day left, guys. We are almost there. Again, thank you so much for hanging out with me this entire COOKMAS. I definitely appreciate that. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make some cookies just in time for the New Year's. Everyone loves to have their glass of champagne during the New Year's to have their toast. In this case, we're going to take the champagne to our cookies. We're going to make some champagne stars. This is a sugar cookie that's going to have a wonderful and elegant champagne icing, a homemade champagne icing that's going to go on these cookies that you guys are surely going to love, especially if you like to have your glass or two of champagne. So if you guys are ready for this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you still have not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every single time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so these are the champagne stars. These cookies are so delicious, guys, especially with that champagne frosting that we made. So easy to make. Use whatever type of champagne that you like or sparkling wine, whichever one. It'll add a nice little touch to these cookies and definitely help you bring in the new year. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.